Hello everyone, I'm Agam and welcome back to my channel Agam's Tech Tricks. Today I'll be showing you an app called WingetUI, which is basically a graphical user interface app GUI for Winget, Scoop and Chocolatey. Winget, Scoop and Chocolatey are package managers or like command line installers for Windows, which you can use terminal to install apps instead of manually finding .exe and downloading and installing them, or just using Microsoft Store to install apps and then finding apps which are not available on Microsoft Store, etc. So with these you can just install the apps using the terminal. So like Winget UI is a graphical user interface or a GUI app for these command line installers. So basically this is kind of a app store, but here we are using those command line installers, and these are the screenshots. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to install and use it. So let's start. And first of all, about its features, which I'll also be showing you later on in the video. So what's given in the readme is that we can install, update and uninstall apps from Winget, Scoop and Chocolatey. And also it can uninstall the manually installed apps. For example, if you want to uninstall an app which you installed using a .exe file or something. Also, if you have Scoop installed, so you can also manage Scoop buckets with this app, and it has also many other features. So let's start. First of all, here's the installation part. So there are like three ways to install this. First of all is using the manual.exe way, so that you can just download and install it by the exe file. And the other way is using Winget, and third way is using Scoop. So I'll be going with the .exe file. Just click here and it will download. And open it to install it. And here we are on the setup page. So if you have Scoop or Chocolatey installed, you can select them. As I only have Winget, which is like pre-installed in Windows, so I'll just keep that option and then click on apply and start Winget UI. So here we are. With this, you can see the apps which are available in the Winget repositories, like all the installed apps, and the updates also which you have, like the apps which are not updated from Winget and they have a pending update, and also the installed packages like which you have installed. So from here you can manage them. Also you can search for apps. For example, if I want to install JetBrains, any app of JetBrains, for example WebStorm, so I can just search it, and here we can see. So right click on it and you can install as administrator, and also it can show you the information of the app, like the home page on the screenshots which are given. So as this app is missing screenshot, and also it can show you the command which it uses to install the app. So as screenshot is not available for this one, I'll show another. For example, if I want to install 360 zip app, so we can just right click and click on show info. Like here we can see the screenshots. Now to install an app, let's say for this as an example, just right click on and click on install, or we can just select from here multiple apps. For example, if I also want to install this or any other app, so we can just multiply click on it and then we can choose the install button. Here, install package. Now here, as you can see, it is installing. So here you can see that the installation was successful, and also we have got the app. Now talking about the software updates, you can just use this option to select all the apps to update and then click on update selected packages. And about the installed packages, from here you can choose whichever apps to uninstall. For example, you can just right click and uninstall an app, or you can multiply select them and then uninstall. I'll show you once. For example, we had installed that 360 zip app, so I'll just uninstall that one here. So I can right click and uninstall it, or just select and uninstall it from here. and installation was successful. And talking about the settings in this app, just click here and WingetUI settings. So you can choose these languages about your app, and then the startup options, like if you want to auto start WingetUI. So, and also this app like notifies you about the updates on every startup, or like after some time, every time. Here are all these options, and if you want you can also reset it and like start everything again. And if you want to use Scoop or Chocolatey, so I can just click on enable Chocolatey, and then it will also enable Chocolatey, or I can also use enable Scoop option. So that's all about this app. And you can also search, or you can just turn off instant search so that it will use the winget command to search instead of using the cat search results. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also we have a Telegram channel in which we post news and other stuff related to technology, so make sure to subscribe that also. Thank you.